What's up? Richard with PDR Talk. Today we are reviewing the new blending hammer from Keco. Let's take a look. So this is a new plastic version of Jonathan's blending hammer. This is like his was a wooden model. This is a plastic hammer with an aluminum core. It's got some hardware on the inside so you can screw in your tips. This thing's amazing. It's very lightweight, perfectly balanced, and very versatile. This is why I like this hammer, and I've been using it a lot lately. So you can put whatever tip you want here, and then you flip it over, you can put tips on either side here. So you can use it as a hammer, or if you're more of a paddle guy, you can buy a striking pad from Keco or Drew's Tools, put it on here, and use this as a paddle when you're doing knockdown work. Now what I really like to do, especially when working rails on a hail car, I've got multiple striking surfaces, right? So let me go grab my other hammer here. If I'm just blending, I've got a very long extension. I use the wide dead-on Dent Tools match grade tip, wide footprint, blend those outer raised areas, and then I flip it over with the dome tip, some more precision blending, and then I can take my other extension here on a blunt tip, reach that out, and then flip it over and strike this like a paddle. So I never have to let go when I'm blending. I never have to let go, move my hands. It's just super quick. You're just like bam, 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 flip it. Little detail work, a little bit more detail work. Put this one, pop, pop, pop. So it's gonna speed you up a lot. That's what I love about this thing, super versatile. Now, the one drawback is it's pretty slick. I dropped it a couple times before I put this tape on it, so I recommend putting tape on it. But yeah, I love this thing from Keco, man. It's cool because they can mass produce it. It's very affordable. I got this for 80 bucks from MTE. I don't know if that was a show special, but it's awesome, man. Try it out. KecoTabs.com. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I forgot to mention the other thing about Keco was they've got these rubber covers for their two large striking pads. So you got the square and the circle. This is great for if you want to move a ton of metal. You've got that dampening effect. It's softer, it almost acts like leather, and these things fit on perfect. So I recommend buying these too. Thanks.